talking about why we would bother to have a gearbox here to change the direction of the shaft rotation and have the mills mounted the way they are. We've talked about how the isolation of the drive to the mill is important. Now we're going to talk about some of the practical aspects of the actual mill operation itself. So if we have the mills mounted in this direction, we're able to access them and unbolt them and remove them, replace them really simply and efficiently. One of the big costs of this operation is the wear cost. So we have a huge amount of material going through these mills, and if you're cutting low to kill seeds, you're going to get sand and soil in here, and it is going to wear things out. Ideally, everything wears for integer number of seasons. So we've got 1 season, 2 seasons, 3 seasons, but it doesn't work like that. So we're going to have to replace components at different times throughout the season. So you want to be able to get in there and change it out really quickly so that you could change the screen independent of the flails and the rotor and get the maximum life out of each of those individual components. And by having this arrangement, we can access the mills, get them in and out in half an hour, and basically you're off and running again with no downtime. So that being able to access the mills, replace them, you don't have to balance anything, it comes balanced, it bolts onto a spindle all ready to go, and a balanced unit, and you're off and going. The other reason, other than quick change out from a functional level, is that if you're spinning on this axis, so a vertical axis, a horizontal orientation, you've got energy in that material on that same orientation. So we can direct that energy out to the width of the front. So the material is able to spread really evenly across the width of the cutting platform, and we can spread that 40 foot without too much trouble because of the rotation being in this plane. So we've got spread, we've got the ability to change the mills out, and all of those driveline safety net features with this orientation. So yes, it adds some complexity to have the drive in this arrangement, but it has features as well. Thanks.